The UR59C or U32 or 59C is a 31.5-inch curved VA monitor, UHD resolution, 139 ppi. Let's start unboxing the monitor and carefully explore its contents. The Samsung UR59C comes in a large, sturdy box. Inside you'll find the monitor itself, the stand, the power supply, the back plastic cover, and a HDMI cable. The power source is located outside the device, yet instead of the typical brick-shaped adapter, you receive a sizable wall-mounted charger that is sufficiently slender to avoid obstructing adjacent outlets on a power strip. The sole remaining wire is an HDMI cable. With the absence of USB ports, there is no need for any additional cables. Control is seamlessly managed utilizing a conveniently situated joystick located towards the back right side. This joystick serves to both power the device and effortlessly navigate through the user-friendly on-screen display. The profile of the side is as slim as a curved monitor can achieve. On the rear side, there exists an uninterrupted surface of textured plastic devoid of any corners or ventilation openings. The generation of heat is insignificant. You can anticipate optimal temperature regulation from the UR59C, ensuring a cool running experience. Let's take a closer look at how to install the stand. Several of the cost savings appear to stem from the stand, which embodies a minimalist approach. Despite its remarkable sturdiness, the stand exhibits a delicate and lightweight construction. It lacks vertical or swivel capabilities, offering only limited adjustments of 17 degrees backward tilt and 2 degrees forward tilt. The pivot point of the stand is positioned low, causing the top of the panel to move away from the viewer when tilted. Regrettably, there is no provision for a Visa mount, thereby obligating users to use the factory stand. The panel where you connect your cables is cleverly concealed under the round cover that easily snaps on. To achieve a sleek appearance, you can neatly guide the cables down the hollow upright. While there are no built-in speakers, you'll find a headphone jack and convenient volume control in the UHD. Regrettably, the refresh rate tops out at 60 Hz, and there isn't any adaptive sync available, such as FreeSync or G-Sync. That may be a disappointment for gamers, but it's important to note that Samsung doesn't position the UR59C as a gaming monitor. However, it deserves credit for its quick 4 milliseconds response time, and our tests indicate that it has lesser input lag compared to the majority of other 60 Hz UHD monitors we've examined. The image appears remarkably sharp, all thanks to an exceptional anti-glare coating that effectively eliminates any disruptive reflections. A slender frame encompasses the upper and lateral areas, while a broader strip runs along the lower edge. To activate the UHD, simply press the joystick upward and press once more. Accessing picture-in-picture and adjusting the source can be done conveniently without entering the extensive menu. This monitor offers an appropriate range of features, including a 3-level overdrive, game mode, and all the essential controls required for calibration. Samsung has these cool picture modes they call MagicBright, and the UR59C gives you 4 of them. The default setting is called Custom, which is a great place to begin fine-tuning. Of course, you might want to make a few adjustments because we noticed that there was some loss of detail in the darkest and brightest parts of the image with the factory settings. Don't worry, though, the color looked good right from the start. When you set up this high-contrast VA panel just right, you'll be amazed by the incredible detail and dynamic range it can deliver. If you'd like to give your eyes a break from strain, Samsung got you covered with the Eye Saver mode in the second half of the picture menu. This mode warms up the color temperature and reduces brightness, providing a more soothing viewing experience. In addition, Samsung offers a game mode that enhances picture sharpness by adjusting colors. While it delivers on its promise, some colors may appear a bit unnatural afterwards. Alternatively, I suggest making a few tweaks to the RGB sliders, gamma presets, and HDMI black level. When it comes to multitasking, you have the option to view 2 sources simultaneously through picture-in-picture or picture-by-picture modes. Typically, you might encounter some slight backlight bleeding, which is quite normal considering the nature of the display technology. But don't worry, it's completely fine, and you probably won't even notice it most of the time. With this unit, there is a bit of top and low backlight bleeding, but it's nothing to be overly concerned about. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.